If you would like to paint a similar floral composition in this beautiful, soft, antique blue color, then take a couple of your favorite brushes and let's start painting. Hi guys! Recently I have purchased several new watercolor paper blocks and I would like to try them. I will start from Legion Stonehenge Aqua Hot Press paper. It's 100% cotton, it's white and acid free. The price is quite affordable, it's $17, and there are 15 sheets in this paper block. The size is 9 by 12 inches. It's a little bit bigger than A4 sheet of paper. But if you use a masking tape, then at the end you will remove the masking tape and you will receive an illustration of an A4 sheet of paper. Today I decided to paint in one color, paying more attention to noticing how the paper reacts than thinking about overall color palette and color mixtures. We have already painted monochrome flowers before, so if you're interested, please watch this video. This time I have painted 3 illustrations. This is the first one. This is the second one. I set up the whole filming process and at the end, when the illustration was finished, I noticed that I forgot to turn the camera on. It happens sometimes. And this is the illustration we will paint in this video. If we compare these two, you will notice that the last one have much more elements. It always happens to me, I don't know, maybe it happens to you also, please let me know if it's true, but when I paint something for the first time, I'm trying to be very accurate and not to overload the illustration. And then, if I continue to paint something again and again and again, then at the end the painting will be overloaded. I don't like when the painting is overloaded, when an illustration looks too heavy, but talking about this illustration we will be painting today, I think it looks quite nice as there is only one color used in this painting. The main focus is on the composition and the composition is quite harmonic. Let me know what you think. As usual, I will mention all the materials I used in the description box under this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please click like and subscribe button and share this video with your friends who also love watercolor floral art. I will use only one color mixture for this painting. I am mixing indigo, Winsor orange and a touch of rose of ultramarine. I will use different tones of this mixture, that's why I am diluting it with water in various proportions. We will start from painting bigger flowers first, and then we'll gradually add smaller elements. I will paint all bird view flowers in this illustration using one method. First, I will paint at the center with the darkest color, and then I will paint petals around it using the lightest color mixture. Next step is to add darker color while the flowers are still wet. Flowers looking at various directions I will paint differently. I will start from painting petals and then I will show the center using the darkest color. Here you can see how I'm building my composition on the go. If you would like to paint with less stress, then you could draw pencil outlines for all flowers to make sure that the final result will be predictable. I take another brush to paint greens. I love using my dagger brush for this. Its strokes always look artistic and unique. There will be lots of layers in dark color in this illustration. It will add depth. Darker leaves underneath the light flowers will help the last ones to really pop. I'm working in wet on dry technique and I'm adding darker tones to the petals to show the volume. I'm also using negative painting technique to shape the leaves with the help of dark strokes. I continue to add darker color to the petals to make them look more realistic and to add shadows. You can add as many shadows and layers as you want. I have returned to this painting on the next day and added more several strokes. But it is better not to overdo the illustration, so make sure to stop at the right time. I hope this tutorial will inspire you to paint a similar floral composition using only one color mixture. Please do show me your results in any social media. I will be so happy to see them. Thank you for your time. I wish you an amazing day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.